HomeMap Navigation intelligently navigates your home's floor plan with a sophisticated path for efficient cleaning. View your floor plan on the iHome Clean app during each cleaning cycle and watch your AutoVac Eclipse live while it cleans your home. PowerMop Enabled. The AutoVac Eclipse has the ability to vacuum floors as well as mop at the same time with the Electronically Controlled Water Tank, PowerMop Tank Sold Separately. Simply switch out the dustbin for the included water tank and enjoy squeaky clean, shiny floors. Mopping output options: high, medium, low. HyperDrive Technology. Choose from 3 individual power modes from quiet, normal or kick it into HyperDrive for 2000 PA maximum suction power. The 3-brush system ensures dirt, dust, pet hair and more is thoroughly cleaned with 2000 PA powerful suction. Suction options: HyperDrive, Normal, Eco. Schedule cleaning, clean while on the go, view your floor plan, and select cleaning modes all via the iHome Clean app. The AutoVac Eclipse will run up to 120 minutes and then automatically return to its charging base. With 2000 PA suction power, your AutoVac Eclipse will thoroughly clean dust, dirt, pet hair, and more.